everyone, welcome to yet another video series of Smart Grid. So hope you are doing good. So in this video we are going to see about an introduction about Smart Grid series. We have seen about the evolution of an electric grid, how the electric grid has been first evolved and how it has gone through different changes through a wait period. So in this video we are going to see about what is a smart grid, which is the recent trend in the electrical domain. So the term smart grid was coined by Andres Carvalho on April 24, 2007. So it happened at an IDC energy conference at Chicago. So during this conference only, the first time the smart grid, the term was being coined. So the definition of smart grid is that it is an integration of electrical power system, communication network, advanced sensing, metering and measurement infrastructure, and the complete decision support along with human interface software and hardware in order to monitor, control and manage the creation, distribution, storage and consumption of energy. In short, we can say that a smart grid is an electric grid with digital technology. So we are upgrading the existing electric grid with digital technology so as to make it smart. So a smart grid is an electrical network that can intelligently integrate the actions of all the users connected to it, like generators, consumers and those that do both. So it acts as a mediator or a communication between the different sectors of an electrical grid. In order to efficiently deliver sustainable and economic and secure electricity, we need a smart grid. So what does it provide? It provides a system with advanced two-way communication. It enables real-time control and it provides greater visibility and transparency from generation side to the consumer side. So it establishes transparency by providing a proper two-way communication systems, and also it consequently enables cost reductions and efficiency improvement. Now let's see what are the challenges being faced by the current Indian electricity systems. Presently, the Indian electricity system faces numerous challenges such as shortage of power, power theft, poor access to electricity in rural areas, and huge losses in grid because we are using aged assets, and also a lot of power theft and inefficient power consumption by the consumers and poor reliability. So in order to overcome these drawbacks, we need smart grid. So these are the smart grid drivers and functions. So in order to overcome these challenges of the existing Indian electricity system, we need to upgrade our current electric grid into a smart grid by providing with more smart meters, smart sensors in order to better establish a two-way communication system. This between the generation and the consumers can provide the grid to be more active and smart. For example, installing a smart meter at every home makes the consumer not to waste energy, because the consumers can know their electricity consumption for a period of time in a daily basis through the online portals, and also being the distribution network or the power distributor, they can also able to understand how many customers are consuming their power and when is the peak time, and they can bill accordingly. And as a consumers, we can also know about our electricity billing and our consumptions. So by making this small change in the grid is providing a numerous energy options and also a better communication in the existing electricity system. Then what happens if you make the entire grid smart? It provides a way ahead of advantages in the electricity systems, and that is why we are in demand of smart grid. So I think this topic has given a clear view about what is smart grid and what are the challenges that our Indian smart electricity system is facing. Because when we know about the current problem, when we properly empathize the problem, then we can able to give a solution to that, and that solution will be a smart grid. So in the next video we will see about what are the smart grid drivers and functions in detail. Thank you. Thanks for listening.